I mean, it was an extreme overreaction. I heard something about cops being involved as well for like a parody show. I feel like that is insane.
I think it has been taken to some other extent. I think it should not be taken into that.
What he said was weird, definitely, because he's talking about our parents doing the nasty.
कहते हैं ना कि वो रोल मॉडल था बहुत लोगों के लिए with all these videos and whatever he was doing, it was really good. But after this controversy, I don't think so. People will follow him, and it has just gone to a negative side.
All India Latents known for this kind of dark humor, but this was excessively. It took it to another level which it wasn't required to.
Internet sensation and comedian Samir Raina's show India's Got Latent recently came under fire for its brand of dark humor. Popular podcaster Ranveer Alabadia made certain comments on the show that caused an online uproar, which essentially started the entire controversy. But how do the people that are the primary consumers of this kind of content feel about the issue? Let's find out. How do you feel about Ranveer Alabadia and his show after the controversy?
Honestly, I am not really following him with that show. I have never watched even one episode of that show, but I was really fond of TRS before. I was really following up, follow Ranveer. I was looking all of his episode and everything, but right now after this controversy, I don't think so we will follow him much, because he was kind of very much into the news, and he was कहते हैं ना कि वो रोल मॉडल था बहुत लोगों के लिए with all these videos and whatever he was doing, it was really good. But after this controversy, I don't think so people will follow him, and it has just gone to a negative side. So I think it's over.
And just one question. Personally, do you enjoy the brand of dark humor?
No, not really, not really. It is, they don't know how bad impact it does. अगर आप किसी पे इतने जोक बना रहे, you don't know how the person is feeling, no matter whoever it is, irrespective of the person. But I don't think so it's good.
So actually, the humor is kind of nice. Samir Raina is one of the most leading comedians in India right now. So, if we think about the comment of Ranveer Alabadia, the thing is, he shouldn't have said so inappropriately. Humor should not be taken at a level which it can be hurting to someone. Because in Indian society mainly, parents are overly they don't want their children to hear bad words or give bad words. It is our society, it is a mentality, and in general, actually, if we see, parents are not allowing their children anyway to watch India's Got Latent because of the jokes and all, inappropriate jokes. And now this controversy, and it was taken, the video was also taken down from YouTube, right? I like humor, but these jokes are not meant to be spoken. Yeah, if you want to speak them in private, no one can stop you. But if you want to speak them publicly or on live television at a national level, then you should not speak such jokes.
I think they were genuinely offensive because All India Latents known for this kind of dark humor, but this was excessively. It took it to another level which it wasn't required to. So yeah, they were just straight up offensive. I mean, you shouldn't go to that level. You know, I feel there is a 50-50 in everything. Yes, certain people do find all this kind of dark humor funny, hilarious. Okay, but that is their opinion. But yeah, Indian audience is getting insensitive because the current audience, the youth which is watching, is also intelligent. They also have sense in what is wrong and what shouldn't be said. So I think it's approximately a 50-50 chance.
I mean, I've been following Samir Raina ever since he was in like Comicstan. So I saw that he was starting something of himself, and I wanted to support it, and I loved it obviously. So that's why. I was not offended by them personally speaking. I feel like it was a bit of, I mean, it was an extreme overreaction. I heard something about cops being involved as well for like a parody show. I feel like that is insane. I was not offended. Dark humor, I feel like, has always been such a niche, and I feel like there's a reason why it is a niche and not like publicly like available, because not everyone agrees with it and not everyone kind of is into it. So I feel like Samir Raina, as he gained popularity, this backlash, a lot of people saw it coming, even though I am not in support of it. Like, a lot of people saw it coming because of his kind of humor. And Ranveer, the kind of audience that he usually has, like with his podcast, it's a really serious, non-dark humor-esque audience. So I feel like that backlash, that's where it comes from, and I'm not really in support of it. It was taken out of context.
I think it has been taken to some other extent. I think it should not be taken into that. And I watch Madhur Vidli, so he is much more controversial, but he portrays his joke in a very creative manner, which does not lead to offense. If people are taking offense to that, so there is something wrong about it. But I think there are other issues that the government should focus on rather than just focusing on a comedy show. There's a line that needs to be drawn so that people do not take offense to that. But I think dark humor can be portrayed in a creative manner, which might not lead offense to people.
I was watching India's Got Latent, although I didn't catch the latest episode where the controversy actually happened. And before that, I didn't really find any of the jokes offensive. There were a couple that were a little far-fetched, obviously, but I didn't really feel offended or, bad about it at all. Oh, the humor and the entire the panel mostly, because all the people absolutely amazing, and their humor is just mind-blowing. And I only watch Latent when I'm absolutely bored and when I really need to laugh. That's it. Oh, one should definitely draw the line at races, caste. That's actually offensive and that's relevant in today's time. Like, for example, in every India's Got Latent episode, Samir Rana makes a joke about him being Kashmiri. See, that's a really old thing, and I get that he makes one-liner jokes about that, but I find that okay. That's not really a big deal. What he said was weird, definitely, because he's talking about our parents doing the nasty, and I don't know if he should have said that or shouldn't have said that, and I don't know the context, but I was okay with it, and I only watched the clip. And if I were on stage, I'd get a little offended, but eventually I'd get over it. I wouldn't file FIRs or go to the press or make it a national headline, because let's be honest, there are more important things that the India has to do.
His humor, I think it was like very funny, and AIV pehle chalta tha, and now that got banned. Then after that, Samay got up like something new, and it was funny, so I used to watch it. It is very subjective. It depends on the people's thinking that how do they take it. कोई offend हो सकता है, कोई नहीं होता. I think it is overreacting because government has more issues to deal with. They should not focus on this one.